Good morning, children. Today we are going to see chapter 20, drop by drop. What is mean by drop? It means fall something. In this lesson, which one is fall? Yes, fall in water. So, in this lesson, you learn about the importance of water, avoiding wastage of water, and how wisely water can be consumed. Now, we see objectives. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to know that water is for all. Understand how water is obtained in different area. Now, how to avoid wastage of water. And last one, learn the wise usage of water. Water. Water is important for our survival. Survival means நம்மளோட வாழ்வாதாரம் தான் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா survival அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. So that all living things need water. It is very precious. Precious means விலை மதிக்க முடியாத ஒரு விஷயம். We need water for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning and washing. Even plants and animals also need water to live. Okay children, next we see how do we get water. We get water from lakes, rivers, wells, tube wells, hand pump, etc. But in desert areas, water is very scarce. Scarce means பற்றாக்குறை. தேவையான அளவுகள் வந்து கிடைக்காததா என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா scarce அப்படி சொல்லுவாங்க. So that people travel to a long distance to fetch water. This situation is worse in summer. In towns and cities, people build over tank to store water. In modern times, people build houses with rainwater harvesting system. Okay, what is mean by rainwater harvesting? Yes, rainwater harvesting means it is a method used for collecting, storing and using rainwater for various purposes. This technique is used to collecting rainwater from the rooftop through a pipe into a tank. A sieve attached to the mouth of the pipe. What is mean by sieve? Sieve means salladai. So that no dirt goes into the tank. This rainwater should be used for laundry, garden uses and for flushing the toilet. Next we see the water sense. What is mean by water sense? This means how do we handle the water. First, you turn off tap while brushing your teeth and then using buckets for bathing instead of shower, and water your plants in the garden or wash your vehicle with a can instead of hose pipe. And also don't allow a tank to overflow, change the leakage tap, reuse RO water. These are all the water sense. Next we see the wise 3 R's. What is the 3 R's? Yes, the 3 R's are reduce, reuse and recycle. If we wisely implement the 3 R's, we can conserve the water. In fact, we all should remember that every drop counts. So, save better to live better. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Water is very precious. It is scarce in nature. It is important for the survival of living things. And the last one, we can conserve water if we follow the 3 R's. So, this is the introduction of this lesson.